Hello everyone, this is Soyoung. Today I got a new camera and a stand. The reason why I bought it is because my YouTube channel is not working. It's all because of the bad video quality. So I decided to upgrade. Okay? I think that's what a lot of people do. You think you have a bad quality of a visual audio, or it's not because you have a bad content, not because you have a bad title or thumbnail. It's all because of the quality of the visual and audio. And that's why a lot of people buy these stuff. But that's wrong. But then why I bought it? Just because it's fun, okay? I just want to buy this fancy camera and that I was not using for a while, but I want to have a fancy gear just to feel cool, okay? Even though you don't make so many views in YouTube, you still have to enjoy creating video, you still have to enjoy your camera or microphone or anything. It's not just about getting views. I think that's important to keep us alive. Bye bye. See you in the next video.